done with the lunch right now. It's a guard section. From left, from right. This forest looks deadly, dude.
पूरे बेसिस
कुत्ते का गैस स्मेल already. Good morning. This is where we put our helmets, jackets, bags, everything. This is a small house in this forest area, and it's around 5:30, 6, almost 5:45 now. And guess what we're doing? Campfire. I think they know I'm about to blow up soon. I'm too high up in this game. And all thanks to this burger who arranged all these things for us. Where is HPP? HPP. Oh, okay. By the way, it didn't record you, so I'll have to over brighten it and then. Yeah. I think they know I'm about to blow up soon. I'm too high up in this game like ET over the moon. I've been over your heads like the luggage sitting over your head. So why you looking right under your bed? I guess you missed what I said. Like actually, you ain't never passed me. Less it's liquor, then you better pass to me. I do. This is how the bikes are parked. All water. पूरा पानी भर गया भाई, मिस्ट भर गया है पूरा. गाड़ी की सीटों पे. Yeah. I think they know I'm about to blow up soon. I'm too high up in this game like ET over the moon. Everybody got freshened up, had some food. We're gonna have tea. The kind person inside that. What's his name? Potaya. Yep. So he was a very kind person, Potaya. He gave hot water for washing our faces and getting freshened up. Bikes are parked over here. We're not going to remove them, and we're going to walk today till the farms and fields of Potaya's, and let's see what are we going to do. Just look at this dog. I'm not going to do anything. Really? Take it. Darpoke.
मन बर्रे पाला पैकेट पाला अच्छा have you drank with
hot tea? Yeah, it tastes actually good.
It is good,
But goat tea is very heat for the body, right?
గీసుగండి చూపిద్దాం అసలు దీనికే ఇంత బాగుందంటే గీసుగండి ఇంకా అసలు that place you can't bike through. You can bike.
Milky. So where are we going now?
We are going to visit Potaya's fields. Then we'll go. There is a little stream we can go to. Then we'll go to the waterfalls. We'll do a bit of off-roading for the stream.
But I'll have to check my rubber first.
probably our final destination.
Yeah.
Okay, not our final destination. Make sure, just saying it so that it doesn't happen. The Hyderabadi vlogger is still vlogging his the school shades. नहीं Hyderabadi vlogger नहीं.
हाँ नाम भूल गए.
नहीं वही तो सडनली ऐसा देखा तो मेरे को डाउट आता ना रे.
चलो.
So we are walking in middle of the forest. You can see the forest started and we are kind of trekking. And my camera will be a bit shaky because I'm not using my another point and shoot camera. My batteries are drained. And yeah, this looks pretty good actually.
Nothing. Just don't pick up random fruits and start eating.
Of course. That house has been built on rock actually. I don't know how.
This is a tree that gives that fruit I was telling you.
Which fruit? Careful. What tree is it?
Nekkera chettu. This one.
Okay.
See the thorns, right? This one you'll have orange colored fruits. The thing about this is you cannot let the inside of the skin touch your tongue. గింజ చప్పరించాలి. There is a fleshy covering on the seed. You'll have to put it in your mouth and suck on it.
What happens if you touch the?
It'll make your tongue go numb.
Numb, right? That's all, right?
Yeah.
It's not poisonous, right?
It's not poisonous. It'll make your tongue completely lose taste.
For how many?
For about 10 to 15 minutes.
You see the sand here?
Botanical garden in Pune.
It's not mud. It is sand actually. It is a thick mixture of sand, and that is how in forests, when there is a lion or a tiger or any animal, they the paw comes like this, right? It comes like this, and that is when they can understand what animal is it and where it is going from and where is it coming from. So that is how they actually search for animals. I know a lot of things. I'm kidding. Okay, I don't know anything about it, but just look at it. My video will be completely shaky.
On this side of the mountains will be like this. On the other side, it's like.
For the bear.
And this is so dangerous place. Wild pigs, bears, they come, they destroy your things. They I heard some of the bears even killed some people. Disappointing. It is kind of a risky place to live, but their lifestyle, there is no internet, no signals, electricity is not there. As I said the last night, we were sleeping out.
This is his farm, right? Like this is
From here to I'll show you.
From here is farm starts?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is his farm.
From here till that stone there, until the big tall tree in the back, and behind that.
Okay.
That's all his farm, both his farm.
Nice.
And this is all completely cotton as far as you can see.
It's cotton.
Ah, see?
Nice.
Prematurely. Like,
So here is cotton, and here is how it forms. Shall I touch it?
yeah. It'll be wet.
It's not wet, but it has cotton seeds inside.
Yeah. This is the cotton fruit, which is not. These generally don't burst right now. They'll take a lot more time to burst. After the rainy seasons, they'll burst.
So they burst and they become like this?
Yeah. But the thing
Okay.
right now is, since it has not rained for a while and it has been hot, they've already bursted.
Okay.
This will a fruit like this will have about 4 times that much of cotton.
Okay. So the
It-
size increases,
Size
and then
increases
it
and then
bursts.
it opens up.
Nice. Good to know. Basically, it's my first time to come inside a farm, because we do have farms like this in Hyderabad as well, but that doesn't allow. It's a private place, and if we go there, they're gonna kick our ass. And what is that plantation? Even that's cotton.
Everything as far as you can see is cotton.
Beautiful place. I feel this as a Jurassic Park set. Imagine a dinosaur coming from there.
high ground.
Running, jumping, chop, 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 chop. Look at that broken tree. Okay, no? Nature is beautiful. It's way too beautiful.
Silky beat.
Hey,
कैसा था experience?
must
मस्त है की word?
15-20 years back I used to do this every summer.
अब बुढ़ा हो गया रे.
How? क्या तू जवान है?
मुंह में क्या है रे वो?
Ghas.
Nice.
Generally use bamboo when you're in the forest, but we don't have bamboo.
I don't have voice to talk. I'm breathless now. I've been walking from there. देख के चलो भाई पूरा कॉटन को. We people are tokufying it.
Niladi's fight.
Tokufying.
Niladi's fight.
Tokufying.
Niladi's fight.
It's worth coming here. All thanks to that fellow.
We have
Amazing.
human dogs barking there.
Yeah. This video is gonna be good, bro. That's positive vibes. I'll have to do justice to my channel, right? Get back.
No, don't hold that. Don't hold that. That thing that you're holding, it will slip off. It will slip off from the center. because it needs to be in the place. Yeah, it is not easy to climb. Plus it's wobbling, right? Get down is harder for me especially because I got don't wobble it. Don't wobble it.
I am not.
Much better, right?
That is just this is a hut wherein there is a place to sit inside and sleep. Guys, it's time to go down. I'll have to put my camera somewhere here. हाँ, जब नेचुरल कॉल आता है और जब आप ट्रैकिंग या कुछ और कर रहे हो तो यहाँ पे खुलेआम में करने का मज़ा कुछ और होता है यार. नेचुरल कॉल यार, क्या करते हैं. एंड द रीज़न दैट आई एम शोइंग यू, ये भी आपको क्यों बता रहा हूँ, इफ़ इट हेल्प समबडी देन ऑफ कोर्स डर लग रहा था बिकॉज ये एरिया पे ना देयर विल बी अ लॉट ऑफ वाइल्ड एनिमल्स. और फर्स्ट टाइम कर रहा हूँ यार, खुलेआम में करने में इतना मज़ा never expected. Here are the bags of cottons and you can see they are like huge amount of cotton over here. They collect and they put it in them, cover it. Final time, bye, see you, मिलते हैं.